I am Sharon Atieno Omondi. I'm married. I have one child, a girl child. She's now 2 years old. I'm a resident in Mathare. When I was at school, I was seeing Mathare in a book. I said I can't live in a place like this. So when I came, I saw, but I just decided to stay, but I did not feel good. When they need to wash themselves, you can use the water in your house, or you can go outside there. There is water. So you pay 3 shillings, then you wash yourself. If you go there with your water, you can pay 2 shillings, then you wash yourself. There is a public toilet there outside. If you have 5 shillings, you can go there. The people who have not paid there, they usually go up a hill there at night. Children always go up there at that hill. That's there they remove their waste. So they're not taking care of taking those pieces. It rains, rain will flow away with it. Even that river, when it rains, very, very heavy, water must flow up to our toilets. Then water, when it reaches there, we can't go to the toilet.